man.
Okay, relax. Okay, so this is a golden-tailed woodpecker. All right, look at its beautiful golden tail. Check it. That's why it's called a golden-tail woodpecker. All right. Okay, look at the beautiful red on its head. Okay. So he's got a soft beak, very sharp beak, and then he's got these little red things over here. Okay. I don't know if there's much. I looked on the internet, but there's not much about them. This one flew into the antenna of our ambulance and ended up landing in the tar road. So we turned around, picked up the antenna, and then found him in the road with his tongue out. He's got a very long tongue, but he's not really biting, but it's soft. Okay, so this is the golden tail. I'm going to let it go. He seems fine now, and he can go into our fig tree, and if he wants to stay, he's welcome to stay. There we go. All right, let him just feel free here. Let's walk away. I don't want him to go too far. I want him to live here. He was welcome to live here. Do you understand? Come. Maybe he's not ready to fly. There we go. Come. No. Take him out. Okay. Figs. Wait. Yeah, lekker. Oh, figs. Yes, go. Yes. Yeah, go. Figs. Yeah, eat. Have breakfast. That's lekker. Wait, you'll get your strength now. You can pick me away just now. Dip there. Figs. Yes. Look, he's got like a, these Mohicans of punks. Hey?
Yeah.
Check it out. He even headbangs. Check that out. Hey? That is so cool. It's like his natural instinct to pick. You want more fig? Oh, that is so cool. Check, he's eating the fig. Hold on. Hey, you can have that. It's lekker, hey? Are you finished eating? Yeah? Have you had enough? Okay, relax. Okay, so you go back in the tree and stay there. Don't fly away. There's plenty of figs. Eat as much as you want. That is so cool. Don't give him a fright. Let him just adapt. There we go. Wood to peck. It's a woodpecker. Woody woodpecker. Watch. Where's he? Oh, there. Awesome. His nose, there's wood. Imagine he decides to live in the fig tree. That is so cool.
Shit.
Eh?
Not every day you see that.